Getting ready to sell your home? The question I hear most often is, do I really need to update everything, or will buyers see past the small stuff? Today, I will share exactly what you should do to prepare your home for sale in North Atlanta and what not to waste your money on. The truth is, buyers fall in love with homes that look move-in ready. But that doesn't mean you need a complete remodel. Let's break down the smartest updates that get you the highest return on your investment. Homes with professional staging sell 88% faster and for up to 10% more. And this is just a fact. Curb appeal improvements like mulch, flowers, and pressure washing create the biggest first impression. Paint and flooring. Neutral paint and refreshed flooring made the home feel newer instantly. Light fixtures and hardware. Small updates modernize kitchens and bathrooms without full remodel. Curb appeal. Buyers often decide in the first 8 seconds they step out of their vehicle. Fresh mulch, trimmed bushes, and power washing set the tone. Staging. Highlight key rooms, living room, kitchen, and primary bedroom. Empty other rooms and declutter them to showcase the space. Don't over-renovate. Avoid big-ticket remodels unless absolutely needed. Most of the time, you will not see the return on your investment. And if you're not sure if you need to do that or not, just give me a call and ask. One of my clients was ready to spend a little over $20,000 on fully remodeling one of their bathrooms. Instead, I suggested fresh paint, new light fixtures, and staging the key spaces. Their home got multiple offers in just a few days and sold a little over asking. Here is the exact process I give my clients before we list. We go over the home and I mark what needs to be done specifically, but if we summarize that, it will be that. Declutter and depersonalize. Remove extra furniture, personal photos, and expensive items. Deep clean kitchens, bathrooms, carpets, windows. Paint neutral and refresh flooring. You don't need to refinish flooring. You can just refresh it so it will look nice and clean. Update fixtures and hardwares. This is a very small investment, but you will see how the look of your house changes. Boost curb appeal. Landscaping, mulch, flowers, power wash changes the way your house presents itself from the outside. Stage key rooms. You don't need to stage the entire house, but key rooms and spaces need to look really, really nice and showcase all the benefits and great features of your home. Preparing your home doesn't have to be overwhelming or expensive. It's about making smart choices that highlight your home's best features and attract the right buyers. If you would like my free home prep checklist, the same one I give my sellers, download it below or send me a message and you will get it for free. It will save your time, money, and stress when getting ready to list. Please subscribe, like, and share this video if you liked it, and give me a call when you are ready to list.